All right, today we're going to bring something unique, and this is a dusk-to-dawn light bulb. That means it turns on at night and doesn't turn on in the morning. So this is going to save you a lot of power. You guys can see LED lights in there. This is real glass. It's great for outdoor. We're going to set it up today. All right, we're going to set up the light bulb. All right. All right, we're gonna simulate light with this light bulb, so we're gonna turn it on. You guys can see and see how much a LED light is gonna turn on. We're gonna focus on the actual light. All right, we're testing out the light bulb, but I can't generate. I'm generating light all over it, and it's still. I'm gonna see if I can put a flashlight on it right now and see if it works. Overall, the light bulb is pretty neat. It's pretty handy. I like it. I'm setting up in one of the studio lights because it's very bright LED light. If you're gonna buy a light bulb, it's gonna last you for a long time. It's nice and bright. Hope you guys enjoy the video.